Okay, good morning and welcome back to my channel Venkata Circuit Vibes. In continuation to the universal human values, uh, we discuss further more on what do you mean by self-regulations and how to maintain health. Okay, how do we maintain harmony in self? Okay, that is through self-regulation and health. So for that, you need to always we know that the human body is of two, self and body. Okay, so we need to nurture the body. Okay, at regular times you have to nurture the body to be in harmony with self. Okay, so in self regulation, this is one important point, that is nurturing our body is part of the self to be in a good health. So, nurturing means providing the necessary inputs to the body. So, whatever the inputs required for the body, you need to nurture. So, the right input nurture when you nurture the body, then the right inputs nurture the body without disturbing its harmony. Okay, we should not disturb the harmony. So, for that, this is the program. So the program for nurturing and maintaining health of the body includes, okay, this is under for nurturing the first you should take proper intake. Okay, intake may be water, air, all this. Then you have to maintain a routine for this. Then second important point is exercising and physical labor. Okay, you can do exercise or physical labor means your the job we do physically. Okay, in for this thing that also you can do walking, that is also running or whatever job you are doing, in that some physical labor is involved. Okay, if you are doing that is also part of this. Then you need to balance your internal and external organs of the body. Okay, and breathing also is very important. You have to balance your breathing of the body to keep your this internal organs and this be healthy, and also the body should be healthy means balancing the breath is one. Okay, and lastly, if there is any imbalance in this, you have to take proper medicine and you have to go for treatment. Okay, so this is the steps we follow for the nurturing our body, which is part of the universal human value self-regulation. So we know that our human body is containing of this matter. Okay, so this is a matter composition which is there in our body. Okay, so we have oxygen, we have carbon, how many? 18%. Oxygen is 65%, hydrogen is 10%, nitrogen is 3%, and the others. Okay, so this is so water you will get 62%. So next we need to have protein around 16%, minerals just small quantity 6%, carbohydrates 1%, and fat 16%. Okay, so these are the elements of the human body which you need to maintain. Okay, so the health of the body, the key inputs, what the routine that we follow, or what I said is the self-regulation. In that, first one is your intake, nurture, that is under self-regulation. So these are the things, that is input, routine, physical work. So what we need to do is first intake. Intake means three, that you take air, that is oxygen, which is very important for us, which is because 65% of this we need oxygen only more. So this should be good oxygen. Next we take water because we get hydrogen from the water. This is which part of this you are seeing now? This hydrogen 10%. Okay, so we need get from water. So we need to drink water. Then we should take food. Food we have to take in such a way that you fulfill all the other ones, that is protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates,